Hello YouTubers, subscribers, and friends. Well, I got me another victim, or another capture I should say. Another thief stealing the bait and tripping the trap. Huh. Poor little bird. Between the prairie dogs and the birds. It's not the first bird I've seen in here. This is the first one that's tripped the trap though. Take him over here in the shade and get a better look at him. He's like, I give up. It's amazing. This rodent trap caught a bird. There was a bigger bird in here yesterday, but he didn't trip the trap. He gets all freaked out here. Want him to calm down a little bit. Well, looks like it's going to hurt his wing. Looks like a cactus ring. I'm not sure, but it does look like a cactus ring. Maybe these animals will learn not to go into the trap. There was a big piece of bread in here on this. Now it's gone. Come on, I don't want you to get hurt. Let me get it open, and then you can get out. It's kind of hard to open with one hand. Let's see if it gets figured out. Come on. Come on, go. There we go. See, he chirped. He chirped before he went out. That was funny. He was like, ah! Like, finally. I don't know how long he's been in there. I haven't checked this all morning, and it's already like, what, late in the afternoon? 1:03 in the afternoon. He's lucky I decided to come out and check it because I thought maybe I'd caught a prairie dog or something. Where did he go? Probably worn out in the tree there or something. I don't know. Huh. Funny. Caught a bird. I'm catching everything except for what I need to catch, the squirrel. Well, time to rebait it once again. I'm going. Keep going.